Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning back in. My name is Adrian. In today's video, you will find out about this Gray Before Shave beard conditioner. And if you stick to the end, I will let you know if this is meant for you or not. And if you missed last week's review, I'll leave the link up here. It's actually for Gray Before Shave's beard wash, so definitely check that guy out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. We're on our way to 2,000 subscribers. I have 70 plus other men's grooming reviews, so you guys can check all those videos out. Once we hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for more details on that. With that said, let's jump into the packaging of this guy. Last week's review, I mentioned that I wasn't too fond of the graphic on the front. I just felt like it was a little too much, but it definitely has grown on me, so I'm not a hater. I'm not hating on the packaging, but it's about the product, not so much the packaging. So the product speaks for itself. Let's go from packaging into cost and size. So you're gonna get 6 ounces of beard conditioner. You're gonna pay $10 to $12. Amazon and GrayBeforeShave.com is where you can pick this up at. And if you do the single pack, you're looking at 10 to 12. If you do the 2-pack where it's beard shampoo and beard conditioner, then you're gonna be paying about $24 on Amazon. All those links will be down in the description as always. Next, we're gonna talk about key ingredients. Very important aspect of any product you purchase. I'm gonna throw those up here. Check those out. Pause the video if you need to. Like I said, very important. Let's go from key ingredients into scent. Scent with this beard conditioner is the same as it was with their beard wash. It smells like an old school barbershop, which I personally cannot get enough of. It's amazing scent, so no concerns there. Not really too strong either, so you don't have to worry about it overpowering colognes or body sprays. From scent, we're jumping into texture. So the texture with this beard conditioner is about a medium thickness, mildly creamy, not too thick. It's not gonna pour out of the bottle either when you flip it over, so you don't need to worry about that. Let's go from texture into moisture. Moisture is where this really does shine. Beard wash that they carry also provided plenty of moisture, but once you throw the conditioner on, it changes the game. So the moisture is huge with both the wash and the conditioner, because a lot of washes out there for your beard will strip your beard of all the natural oils, and then you reintroduce those with the conditioner. But in this case, you don't lose a whole lot of moisture with the beard wash, but you're just adding to it with the conditioner. $1,000,000 question, who is this beard conditioner for? Anyone bearded that's looking for something that not only moisturizes, but it'll offer organic ingredients at a budget-friendly cost. So if that is you, definitely want to pick up this beard conditioner from Gray Before Shave. That's it, fellas. I appreciate you guys tuning back in. Now you know if this Gray Before Shave beard conditioner is for you or not. Please do not forget, if you look good, you feel good. If you feel good, you do good. My name's Adrian. Until next time,